You know, ladies, Valentine's Day is tomorrow, but tonight we're celebrating Galentine's Day.
That's right. It's all about the ladies. So the day celebrates female friendship and empowerment. Joining us to help us celebrate the occasion is beauty expert and my fave, Mickey Williams. Welcome to Good Night, New York.
Happy Galentine.
Happy Galentine.
I'm so happy you can make it.
I'm one of the gals tonight. What can I say?
Yes. Or you can be a party crasher.
I'm a party crasher.
You know, it doesn't matter.
Only my second time wearing a red silk pajama
what? It works
robe,
for you.
You know?
I feel like Galentine's, this is about Galentine spinning it inside, right?
like
so we
that.
wanted you to get kind of cozy, so I got you a red robe.
Thank you.
And of course, you're my gal, so I got us some splendid
The
pajamas
PJs.
so that we could be twinning.
So cute.
And they're so soft, too. You have to feel
Very
them.
soft.
But yours is actually the softest,
Oh,
so you're
thank
lucky.
you. Well, you know,
And
what
then
they
the
say.
softest.
Okay, so it's all about like having, let's just throw a spa night inside, all right?
Enjoy
but
it.
first you gotta like take care of everything, right?
Yes,
so you
you
gotta
do.
bring some flowers. Can you see these flowers?
Those
Yes, we
flowers
can.
are beautiful. 1-800
Gorgeous.
flowers, right? They're just gorgeous. You gotta have some roses,
When
right?
I love the roses too because you actually can give your girls one when you go home or give them a few. And if you know somebody's really sentimental about Valentine's Day, they can't say they didn't get flowers, right?
True.
And I also want you have to feed people, but you
Yes.
also have to give them some libations.
Yeah,
right?
oh, libations,
So I wanted
okay.
to give you guys a little bit of my new favorite sparkling
Thank you.
rosé.
You as
This
well.
is Aphrodite. Look at this magnum. I mean, if you have, I don't know, if you have friends like mine, you need a magnum.
Ooh,
But isn't that
yes.
good? It's
So,
Greek. I
is
love
this
it.
an aphrodisiac wine? Is that what they're trying to say? It's
No,
not.
it's Greek. But you know what's so funny is I love their logo. It's like, you know, what is it? Rosé in season all the time. It's
Yes.
always a season for rosé. So
Yes.
cheers to that.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Why, you feeling some things? Did you sip yet?
I haven't tried it yet.
Okay,
Hold on,
okay.
let's try.
All right, just checking. Okay, so now what is this in this green fabulous packaging?
So if we're gonna roll into like a spa night, I kind of brought in some K-Beauty. So I love, love, love this product right here.
We have 30 seconds
This
here.
is Dr. Althea. This is their pure grinding cleanser. This is a balm. Can you see that? Look.
Oh,
That's
it
so
comes
cool.
up. Oh.
Yeah, so it has
Groovy.
this grinding mechanism, which is great if you're going to have a bunch of people over. And what
do
you're
with
going
that?
to do is, you know, this could take off waterproof makeup.
Oh, yeah?
But I want you to start with your friends and just do some massaging. What I love about this product is that it's literally like a sorbet.
Ooh, a sorbet
It's
on
so
my face.
good. It's not greasy. It's like
We've
a
become
sorbet.
fast friends, Mickey.
I know.
I
It
just
has-
met you. Now you're massaging my face. I love
But it
it.
has all these really incredible ingredients. But what's great about this too is once you get the massage on and you get everything gorgeous, it just comes right off with warm water. And if you don't want people to mess up your bathroom, you can just give them a bowl, maybe with some roses in it, and you can have a little party.
So romantic.
I know.
Let's keep this going, Mickey.
So keep massaging. We are going to be back after the break with more Good Night New York and more Galentine's favorites. Stick with us. We are back with beauty expert Mickey Williams. Mickey, what else are you going to show us for Galentine's?
I mean, you got to pull in some masks, right? Whether you're doing a sheet mask or you want to do a couple of eye masks. I personally love these lip masks. They're so great. I'm actually going to put this on you, Ryan.
Oh, you are?
I've
Oh.
never
Ready?
seen this.
Okay, I guess.
Okay, but now Ryan would need some lips in
Okay.
order for you to put a lip mask on. But
You
okay.
talking smack about my
Yeah,
lips?
wait, you're supposed to be
Okay.
quiet.
I look like Mr.
You got it
Potato.
on there, though. Okay, you're supposed to be quiet,
I
Ryan.
look like Mr. Potato
We
Head.
tried to silence you. Apparently, it's not working.
The best part about the lip mask is
Yes.
what I love to do is put it on one person in your party at a time.
Okay.
And then everybody, they have to be quiet, but Ryan's not being quiet. And then get a journal and write all the things that you love about them, especially if
like
anybody's
that.
down on their luck.
Okay. All right, Ryan. Just keep being quiet. Okay.
Now that everything's masked up, you're gonna wrap it up. I'm obsessed with Estra. I told you
Yes.
about this. This is like
Yes.
my baby product. I absolutely love this. You want to finish off with like a really cool cream. This one's amazing. This is their Auto Barrier 365 cream. I want to put this on you, okay? It's amazing. This has 1 million capsules.
But wait, there's more.
All
Of
righty.
ceramides, like
this is
filled
very
into
nice.
it. Can you feel that?
Oh, I
how
feel it.
amazing
Yeah,
that
you
is?
feel the
No, I
look
And it's
on your
great because
face.
it's sensitive skin, so everybody can use it. You know.
Fabulous. And
All
then
right.
finally, what are these?
We're wrapping everything up with a red lip. This is Era Perez.
Okay.
I love this product. And Crystal, you know what? You want the red lip because you want it, or the pink lip because you want to do all those selfies, right?
Yes, I
So
do.
I think this is a great way to embrace it, even for a novice, because it's a lippy crown and it's hydrating. We love our lippies. You know what I mean? You and I are
too.
just obsessed with it. So
We
a lippy
do.
is easy, even for a
Look,
novice.
girlies. Hey, Mickey, I'm sorry. We got to wrap this thing up for now. I'm Ryan Christopher.
All right, and I am Crystal Young. Stay tuned for Steve Harvey and Family Feud. But until then, make it a
Good night, New York!
Bye.